With the Agreement Template Builder, you can create and edit envelope and document templates for document generation directly within DocuSign. This includes adding sender fields within the template that will be replaced with personalized data when the document is generated, conditional rules to display specific terms based on field data, and dynamic tables to insert rows of data based on a CSV file. Senders are prompted to provide specific information when using the template. This information is then used to populate the sender fields and dynamic tables. The Agreement Template Builder can be used with both document and envelope templates. In this example, we'll use an envelope template. To start, create a new envelope template and provide a name. Then, add your documents. Select Create New Document to create a document from scratch with the Agreement Template Builder, or click Browse to upload a document from your computer. To include document generation functionality, you must either upload a docx document or use the Create New Document option. DocuSign AI, powered by DocuSign Iris, will process your document to automatically detect your agreement type and suggest relevant fields based on the type detected and document content. Add your recipients or recipient placeholders, and customize any additional template information. Then, click Next to access the Agreement Template Builder. You can make changes to your document, such as adding or removing text, or changing the text formatting. Click Place Fields with AI to save time adding fields. DocuSign AI will identify the relevant sender and signer fields and automatically place them on your document. Then, click each field to review it and either remove or accept the suggestion. If your template includes several recipients, you will need to assign the signer fields to the correct recipient before accepting the AI suggestions. To add additional sender fields, click the recipient drop-down menu and select Sender. Sender fields are an easy way to ensure that your senders enter the required data prior to sending. DocuSign suggests a list of sender fields based on the agreement type detected. You can also change the agreement type if needed. You can choose a sender field from the list to add it to your document. You can also click the plus sign and select Field to create a new sender field. Then, provide a name for your field. If needed, add a description to help the sender enter the correct field data when using the template. Choose if the field should be required or optional. Select a field type, and then click Save. The sender field will be added to your account and will be available the next time a user selects the same agreement type. If the option is enabled on your account, you can also include fields and tables that are connected to a third-party application, such as Salesforce. Senders will need to select the appropriate record that will be used to generate the agreement. Use the Rule Builder to show or hide text based on field data. Select the content you want to make conditional and click the Add Logic Rule icon. Provide a name for your rule and drag a sender field to the If box. Enter a value and choose if you want to show or hide the text when the condition is met. Click Save to insert your rule. To create a dynamic table, click the plus sign, Table, and then Dynamic Table. Select the number of columns you need and provide a name for your table. Add your field names and click Insert Table. Each field name represents a column header in the CSV file that the sender will need to upload. Click Preview to make sure your template is set up correctly. Finally, click Save and Close when you're done, and your template is ready to be used.